The Kia Ceed III, a popular hatchback in Europe since 2018, features welcome sounds that play audible chimes when you enter, exit, lock, or unlock your vehicle. These sounds enhance the user experience and provide security feedback through the car's infotainment system. You can control these welcome sounds through the vehicle's settings menu. The Kia Ceed III offers various customization options to personalize your driving experience. Start your Kia Ceed III. On the touchscreen, locate and press the settings icon. Navigate to Vehicle, then select Sound. Finally, you'll find the Welcome Sound option. This path might slightly vary based on your infotainment system version. Within the Welcome Sound menu, you'll find a toggle switch. Simply tap the switch to turn the welcome sounds on or off according to your preference. A confirmation chime may sound, depending on your settings. Some Kia Ceed III models offer preset welcome sounds like a simple beep or melodic tone. These options are available within the Welcome Sound menu. Select the sound you prefer from the available presets. The selection helps personalize your vehicle's audio feedback for better user experience. For pre-2020 facelift Kia Ceed III models without touchscreen, navigate using steering wheel or cluster buttons. Start the vehicle and cycle through menus with arrow keys. Then press the OK button to access welcome sound settings. Remember to adjust the welcome sound volume to a comfortable level. This setting is separate from the main audio system and helps ensure the welcome sounds aren't too loud or disturbing. Also, be aware of quiet mode, which may automatically disable welcome sounds to minimize noise. This feature is especially useful in residential areas or at night and can be activated through the vehicle settings or Kia Connect app. Check these settings if you're not hearing the sounds you expect. Volume adjustments and quiet mode toggles are accessible through the vehicle's infotainment system or the Kia Connect mobile app for remote control. By following these steps, you can easily enable, disable, and customize the welcome sounds in your Kia Ceed III. This allows you to personalize your driving experience and tailor the car to your preferences. Enjoy.